Hi everyone, Josephine here with Dars again. In this video, we'll be talking about how to set up calendar reminders in Google Calendars and how to use Google Tasks. So, I am recording this on March 8th in 2021. So, I am going to be setting up my week how I normally would if you're working or you're in maybe college, doing classes, that kind of stuff. This was really helpful to me when I was in college because I had a lot of assignments to keep track of and appointments, stuff like that I couldn't miss. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that today. So we'll get started here. So I usually wake up around 7:30ish, so I will put that in here. And really how you do it is you will click on the area you want to start. So we're at 7:30, 8 a.m. If I want to start waking up at 7:30 tomorrow, I will click around here in the middle. So that's 7:30 until 8. And you can get that assurance here that you are waking up at 7:30 to 8. So I take a long time to wake up. So usually for me, it's that half hour is right what I need to actually be awake. So we'll wake up here. And then if we click on this little box here, and then we have the do not repeating box, if we click on that, so I like to wake up at the same time every day, including the weekends. If you don't like waking up this early on the weekends, you could do, every weekday, Monday to Friday. I myself am going to do it every day. So we'll click on that and we will save. And then we have that repeating every day, as we can see here. So going about my day later, I usually spend the first hour, so from 8 to 9, taking care of my dog, getting myself ready for the day. So we'll put get ready for the day. Okay, and then I am once again gonna have that repeating here every day. All right, and we will save that, and we have it every day. Okay, so looking forward past 9 a.m., I like to take my dog on a walk because I really do need to get up and moving, and I feel like exercise helps me clear my mind and really get myself organized for everything that I have to do for the rest of the day. And it's so important, just to keep up your general health and all of that kind of stuff, whether you're going to the gym or walking your dog, getting any kind of exercise is so important. So I will usually take an hour in the morning here every day to exercise. So whether that's going to the park, going for a swim, anything like that, anything that gets you up and moving is so important. So we will once again repeat that daily here. And we'll save. All right, so from 10 to 11, actually 10 to 12, I usually would have class or some kind of work to complete. So I would schedule probably a 2-hour block here. We'll just say work for the sake of it. So this little box here, I'm gonna have mine repeating every weekday, because I'm not going to do work on the weekends because that is my free time. So we will save that, and you can see it's only until Friday, and then we don't have that on Saturday. Then from 12 to 1, I will schedule my lunchtime because I am awful if I don't eat. So I'll put in my lunchtime here. Again, click on this box, and I am going to have that repeating every day because I need to eat lunch every day. We'll save that. Again, to work. I usually don't schedule myself for more than 2 hours because my time span is not that long, and I do take, little breaks in between to go up and get a glass of water, use the restroom, something like that, but I like to schedule it in a big block, so I'm not getting too distracted with a million things I have scheduled for myself. So again, I'm going to do this every weekday because no work on the weekends. If you do need to collaborate with someone on the work that you're doing, you can add guests here. You can type in an email address so they will get a notification about it in their own email, and it will go on their calendar as well. Or if you want to meet virtually over Google Meets, for example, you can, click on that too, and it will ask for the email addresses to send to one other person, a couple other people, if you're all trying to meet together over Google Meets at this time. So that is really nice. And if, you want to add a location, so at the office or at home, wherever it is that you're meeting, that's really helpful as well. So we can save that here, and we'll have that every work day. So it is at this point 3 to 5. If you are, working the whole day or you're in college, I usually set aside time for me to study at some point after, I have a little bit of free time in the afternoon. So usually from 4 to 5. I'll put an hour of studying here. And again, we'll do this only on the weekdays. This is really nice too if you want to study with friends. So if you edit that, and you can add all the people that you want to study with. So you can add the Google Meet, or you can just add the guests, which is really nice. I really like doing that because it keeps me accountable for completing my work. So say I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow. So Tuesday the 9th, I will schedule that here. So drag down from 3 to 4, if that's when my appointment is. And I can put in doctor appointment with, we'll say Dr. Smith. All right, I really like to put who my appointment is with, just because, for dentist appointments, haircuts, stuff like that, if I just put an appointment, then the time actually comes around, I forget what appointment I'm actually supposed to be going to and who it's with. So I always like to put the name of my doctor or the person that I'm seeing. I find that to be really helpful. And, say if you have doctor's appointments weekly on Tuesdays, or every other Tuesday, every year on this Tuesday, then you can put that in there. I'm going to let's do every second Tuesday. You can save that here. Or even other things, like if you need to wash your bed sheets every 2 weeks. I think that's what they recommend, right? So, on Thursdays, if you want to put in, ooh, I did not do that long enough, but look, I can edit it here for 3 to 4. And we can put wash bed sheets. And we're going to have it repeating. Annually is not often enough. Monthly on the second Thursday. And we'll save. And, you can do this for laundry. You can do this for any kind of housework, like watering your plants, doing the dishes, that kind of thing. So I find that really helpful because when I look at my calendar, I know at what time I have to do that to keep myself on track. So I find that really helpful. What I also like to do, and the second part of this video, is put all of my to-do list into Google Tasks. So I don't know if you guys saw that. If you click on this little blue circle here on the right-hand side, click on that, and then we click up here and add a task. So let's put do laundry. Ooh, if I can spell it right. And then we'll click enter. And then it'll ask us for another task. So I'm going to put feed the dog, enter. And I'll put complete assignment for sociology, if I'm in a sociology class. So if you click out of that, you will have all your tasks here and say, I finished the laundry and I have fed the dog, but I have not yet completed my assignment for sociology. So it's really fun because you can go over here to do laundry and you can click this little check mark and it does a little confetti surprise to help you, just feel more confident that you've completed your task. And I've fed the dog, but I have not yet completed my sociology assignment. So I'm going to keep that up here until I do that. And I really do like this feature on Google Tasks just because it really helps me keep track of everything that I need to do. And you can actually look back in here. So everything that you have done if you do need reminders of that. So yeah, I find it super helpful. If you want to get out of the Google Tasks, you just click this close tab up here and it'll still be there when you open that back up. But yeah, I hope this helps. I really try to organize my schedule so that it's a good balance of me doing all of the things that I need, just, for basic care of myself. So exercising, eating, cleaning up around the house, everything that I need to feel put together. But it really does vary on who you are, and, what you have to do every single day. But I hope that this demonstration can help everyone a little bit if you are seeking assistance with this. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and please let us know if you do have any further questions.